Do you struggle with sticking patterns in your fills? Or are you an advanced player wanting to learn more creative sticking patterns? Today is the first video in a series about essential stickings for the drum set. And at the end of this video, I've got a bonus for you. If you're new to this channel, I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private teacher who has helped many students to learn to play the instrument on a very high level, including my student Joel McCoy, who also became a professional drummer and now plays in Nashville. Okay, so first of all, what is the purpose of sticking patterns? Won't that make us less creative? The purpose of a sticking pattern is to give you a way to organize your sticking. The way it works is once you learn and master a particular sticking pattern, it becomes automatic. You really don't have to think about it anymore. This will make it much easier to execute fills on the instrument because you won't have to think about the sticking that you're using. So it actually enables you to be more creative. By the way, if this is making sense to you and you're really enjoying these videos, please click those like and subscribe buttons. That really helps me to grow this channel. Thank you in advance. Okay, we're going to start with a basic triplet sticking first. I'm assuming that you play the drums the standard way here, which is right-handed. If you play the drums left-handed, just reverse all the stickings that I'm going to show you here. The first sticking is just right, left, right, left, right, left. Here's a diagram. This is one measure of triplets. You can think of this like a grid. For this sticking pattern, no matter where I start my fill, the sticking remains consistent. Again, this is a way of keeping my sticking organized. That way I'm free to create. Ultimately, then I hear something in my head and I can play it without thinking about which stick I'm going to play it with. I think this will make a lot more sense to you as we work through some actual fill examples. For the first example, I'm going to play one whole measure of triplets as a fill. Notice that it starts on the right hand, it ends on the left hand. That frees my right hand to go back to either the hi-hat, the ride cymbal, or the crash cymbal when I'm done with my fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that for this sticking, all triplets that start on 1 or 3 start with the right hand. The last fill started on 1. Here's a fill starting on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Notice that all triplets starting on 2 or 4 start with the left hand. Here's a 1-count fill starting on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Notice again how this ended the fill on my left hand, so my right hand was free to go back to the hi-hat or the ride cymbal. Here's a 3-count fill starting on 2. Again, because I'm starting on 2, I'll start with my left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look at this diagram again. The examples I gave all started on the beat, on the trip. It's also common to start triplets off the beat, on the let. For instance, I'm going to start a fill on the let of 1, and I'll start with the right hand because that's where it falls in the sticking. 1, let, 2, pull, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. Let, 2, pull, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. Let, 2, pull, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. Let, 2, pull, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let. Okay, so here's the diagram again. If I want to start a fill on the let of counts 2 or 4, I start with the left hand because that's where it falls in the sticking. Here's a fill starting on the let of count 2. 1, 2, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. 2, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. 2, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. 2, let, 3, pull, let, 4, pull, let, 1. I'm going to demonstrate how this could be used in a longer fill or a solo. I'm going to play triplets on the snare, but I'm going to move some of the downbeats and the upbeats to the toms, so I'm basically going to be playing a melody on the toms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that a little faster. A little faster. Notice how I kept all the right, left, left sticking consistent. Again, this way I don't have to think about my sticking. I was only thinking about the melody that I was playing on the toms. And this is the whole point to using a sticking pattern on the drum set. Now for the bonus. I'm going to show you a more advanced way of using this sticking pattern. Take the exact same sticking pattern, but now we're going to play double strokes instead of single strokes for the triplets. Faster. I'm going to move some of the downbeats and the upbeats to the toms like I did before. These will be single strokes on the toms, and I'll continue to play double strokes on the snare drum. Let me see if I can slow that down for you a little bit. As you can see, there are many useful ways of using this triplet sticking pattern. I have one other bonus for you as a thank you for watching today. I have a list of 10 beats that all drummers need to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It also comes with an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Again, all free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me which part of this video you found the most interesting. Or if you'd just like to comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and the next video will be about sticking patterns for 16th notes and 32nd notes. Watch for that, and I'll see you next time.